Step 1. Use the 5-second rule. No, I don't mean the completely unscientific, unhygienic, disgusting, and uncivilized rule of picking up and eating food that fell to the ground. Honestly, those people who still use that rule. Anyway, the 5-second rule which I'm talking about implies that when you have the impulse to do a task, you need to count until 5 and start taking action before the time ends. Otherwise, you'll end up procrastinating. So just do it and start your task within 5 seconds of the impulse that you feel of the need to do the task. Step 2. Tackle the task part by part. Let us assume that your task is to complete a 2000-word essay on economic development. Break it down, and when you're doing it for the first time, focus only on the introduction of, say, 100 words, or even only on the first sentence. After that, focus only on the next part, and so on. Basically, fool your brain into actually doing some work. Step 3. Reward yourself. Reward yourself progressively for completing each part of the task. For example, start with the reward of, say, allowing your mind to fantasize about anything for 2 minutes, then slowly keep increasing the rewards. For example, allowing yourself to watch 1 episode of anime after completing half of the task, and allowing yourself to watch anime or play video games for the rest of the day, or maybe allowing yourself to eat whatever you like as much as you want after completing the entire task. All these steps combined will make productivity a habit and kill procrastination. Thanks for watching.